We do have the wish of staying with family and friends for Easter, but this year is going to be a little bit different, but we do have the memories. And I am so happy to be right here, right now. I bought this wonderful terracotta baking dish and I'm going to add the leg of lamb already marinated, and you can follow the link above, and we're going to start to make the roast. Amazing Connor is already slicing the onions in half moons, and we're going to use it as a bed for our roast. And I'm adding a huge drizzle of olive oil. We start our roast at 180 degrees and then we reduce it to 90 degrees for 4 hours. I turn the lamb over and I add more marinated sauce on top. Now I'm going to season my potatoes with the same sauce of the marinade. So I'm going to use the paprika, this dense, beautiful coating for each potato that is going to just become so delicious. And we'll allow to cook with the lamb. Allow now to roast slowly at 90 degrees for 3 hours, and we will be basting with white wine, the fat of the leg and the juices that are in the tray. The conversation is flowing and it is so good to be amongst friends, and we cannot wait to go back. our table is ready, and we have our lamb, the sauces, potatoes, silky spinach, and salads. Oh, it's so wonderful. Serve your lamb with love. Happy Easter and bon appetit!